After the birth of e-commerce, shopping has gone to another level. With the introduction of Flipkart, Amazon, and many other big giants in the e-commerce space, people have started buying stuff from online without even using it in real life. Assuming that most of the people might have already used the stuff before and have decided to buy from online, 90% of the people, according to me, buy stuff from online without even having an experience before in-hand buying it. In this video, I'm going to compare purchasing anything from online and offline store. So according to me, I think buying from offline is better than online, and I have few reasons to say that. So watch this video till the end because it might give you an idea of buying stuff from online and offline, and it can even change your decision if you're deciding to buy something. So hey guys, this is your host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena. Let's go. Alright, so there are many different perks buying stuff from offline, but yes, I do agree that online shopping is better and is very quick and all those stuff, but still, buying from an offline store is another experience and it has many perks. And let me explain one by one. The first and foremost, you can touch and feel the device. Say for an example, you are going to buy an iPhone or an Android phone or a smartwatch like this or any other stuff. Buying a phone or an electronic gadget from an offline store, you can touch and have a feel of it. Most of the offline stores have a demo unit of the particular electronic that you want to buy, and you can use it there, you can try it and pair it with your phone, and you can also have an in-hand experience from which you can get a better understanding on how you can use it efficiently with you. Like for example, I recently bought this Galaxy Watch 4 and I had an option to buy it from an online store. But what I did is to go to the nearest electronic store and had an experience of this Galaxy Watch, and only then I decided to buy this, because if I would have bought from online and ended up not liking it, the return policy and all that stuff is very difficult. So buying from an offline store gives you an in-hand feel from which you can get into a decision or a conclusion whether you need to buy that or not. So that's the first and foremost perk that proves that offline purchasing is better than online. Number two is better after sales support. Now I do agree that buying from online gives you a good after sales support, but not as good as what you buy stuff from offline. Say for example, if you have bought a phone and if you have encountered an issue, you can go to the same offline store and say that, hey, I've encountered this issue. They might fix it as quick as possible, or they might even give you a replacement device, which is very common. But if you buy the same stuff from an online store, you need to visit the official service center, which may be far away from your home. And compared to the shop that you bought the phone or the device, it will be very closer. So that's why buying stuff from offline gives you a better after sales support, because when you went to buy that particular product, you might have got in touch with a salesman who's there and you might have established a good relationship with him or her, which gives you a good after sales support. So buying stuff from offline will give you definitely a good after sales support than buying stuff from online. Number three is good discounts and freebies. So recently I bought this Galaxy Watch 4 from an offline store near me. So when I went and bought this, I bought this for 28,000 rupees. But the actual cost of it, if you buy it from online, it's around 32,000 rupees for this Galaxy Watch for 44mm LT variant. And the 28,000 rupees is an equivalent price to the non-LT variant of the Galaxy Watch 4. So technically, I got a better discount of rupees 4,000, for which I bargained from the store and gave me a discount. And not only that, there are some situations where they give you free tempered glass, free protection case and all those stuff. So recently one of my friends bought a Samsung Galaxy S21, for which they gave a screen protector and also a back case for free. Freebies and better discounts are only there on offline stores. And I do agree that seasonal sale will come up online like Black Friday, Diwali and all those stuff, where you will get huge discounts. But still, offline stores are way better than online stores because you can bargain for what you are trying to buy, at least in India, or they'll give you better discount options, or they'll at least try to give you some freebie that you can use with your device that you have purchased. Number four is better trade-in price or exchange price for your old device. Now when I say this, many people might deny me because Cashify and Amazon Exchange might offer you a better exchange price when you exchange your old device and buy a new one. But that is not the case. Now, when I went and bought the Pixel 6, I had given my old OnePlus Nord through Cashify for around 12,000 rupees. But if I had given the same phone to the offline retailer from where I bought the Pixel 6, he would have taken it for at least 14,000 rupees, which he told me. That is the case when you go to many other offline stores. Even in offline stores like Purvika and Sangeeta, which is there here in India, they take your device for a much better price than what you get offered from Cashify or Flipkart Exchange or Amazon Exchange. You can at least bargain for the exchange or trade-in cost if you are giving your old device to an offline store dealer when compared to an online store. Now the last and final reason is pretty simple: quick purchase. Now I do agree that you can quickly buy stuff from an online store, but you will need 2 or 3 days to get that device in your hand. But whereas if you go to the nearest offline retailer where the stuff is available, you can go have a look of it, buy it immediately and come back with better discounts and whatever the other perks that I told. So quick purchase is only possible if you buy stuff from an offline retailer compared to online. I do agree that you can click the buy now button and just buy it right away from your home and it will get delivered in your doorsteps. And there are features like quick delivery and one-day delivery in most of the e-commerce websites, but still going to an offline store and buying stuff is much quicker than buying stuff from an online store. And this is the final reason that why you should buy stuff from an offline store. So these are some of the reasons that prove buying stuff from offline store is better than online. And there are many other reasons to it, but still these are some of the reasons that I thought is important to announce. So if this video was helpful in solving your confusion, then give it a like and share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe because it's very simple. Most of the people who watch my channel forget to subscribe, but don't do that. It's very simple. Just click the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon and click all to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. For now, this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.